BaChaCha Box.
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of BaChaCha. Gin win, pin win, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw a teddy bear standing behind a wall. To begin with, let's make 3 bricks in a sleeping line format. Above this line, make 2 bricks at the center. Now support the bottom bricks with 3 new bricks added to the top. Wow! That makes a wall! Just a few inches away, draw a big circle. This is Teddy's face. Add 2 semicircles with borders for its ears. Draw 2 eyes and eyebrows. Add an oval to make its mouth. A nose and tongue coming out. Now create a bow at the neck, 2 shoulders, and a closed fist placed on the wall like this. Great work! Color. You can use your most favorite colors. We have chosen pink and purple bricks alternatively, which means every second color is the same. Brown color for its body, beige to color its mouth and ears with a blue bow. Excellent! Teddies can be our toy friends and companions. We can always play and talk to them and cuddle too. Draw your own teddy now. Stay tuned to BaChaCha Box. Happy hours for kids.